Hey guys, this is EdRoh, and today we'll be comparing and contrasting two component libraries, Material UI and Chakra UI. We will compare them based on three factors: customizability, ease of use, and reliability. First off, let's talk about customizability of both these libraries. Chakra UI has a cleaner class naming hierarchy. What this means is if you take a look at the dev tools for a simple login page for both Chakra and Material, you can see that Material has a ton of classes per element, whereas Chakra UI has generally significantly less classes per element. What this allows for is a much easier way to manually target specific classes very easily and ensure that you won't have too many issues with classes conflicting with each other. Therefore, you have less chance of matching or getting into these nasty CSS important tag issues. Also, while Chakra affords easier manual CSS customization, Material UI has way more options and way more components to choose from, giving you more out-of-the-box components to use and tailor to your needs. In addition, each of these material components has more features and props that make them more flexible. So if these components are close or similar to what you need, then Material makes it easy to use components out of the box without needing manual customization. Which brings up to our second point of comparison, which is the ease of use. Because Material UI has way more component choices and more prop choices to choose from per component, this naturally leads to a steeper learning curve and more time in trying to figure out which components you want to use. Since Chakra is newer, it is currently easier to pick up because it doesn't suffer from trying to handle all the edge cases and handle as many components and features you would ever need like Material UI does. In addition to the previously mentioned fact that Chakra provides easier manual customization. In terms of documentation, they both have nice documentation, but Material UI, I think, wins on this front because it's way more extensive, and there's a lot more backing to it. Of course, as mentioned before, this increases the learning curve just a little bit because of the need to parse through more documentation to learn it. However, I do say that both libraries are fairly easy to use, just Chakra is slightly better to get into. And finally, we come to the last point, which is reliability. Here, in terms of reliability, scalability, and popularity, there really is no contest here. Material UI is the definite winner here. Material UI has been out for a much longer time, acquired a very sizable community, and thus have squeaked out many of the bugs and polished a lot of the pain points, handling many different scenarios and edge cases. If you contrast that with Chakra UI, which has only been out for 2 years and probably a third of the community size. So with all that said, which one should you choose? Basically, if your app is smaller to medium sized and you want something quicker, lighter, and easy to provide manual CSS customization, Chakra would be the definite choice for you. Material UI is if you're looking for long-term reliability, or maybe you're working on a larger or enterprise level application and you need a lot of maintainability and scaling, Material UI is the great choice. Having said that, both choices are very good options, and chances are they're both solid component libraries that you can use for many different use cases. Anyways, that was a comparison between Material UI and Chakra UI. Hope you found it useful. If so, like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.